Another day, another opportunity. Let's check this job site, Filta. So, filtaglobal.com. QA analyst or Shopify e-commerce, work from home, midship, HMO UK company. So, they provide laptop. Okay, let's check. You can click the apply now, but let's read the job description. Be part of the Living Shopify Plus agency partner in UK dedicated to designing, building, and growing high-performing online stores. The ideal candidate's workstation should be set up in safe and secure location at home with stable and reliable internet not less than 25 Mbps. Maximum of 70,000 per month. Working hours will be aligned with the UK time zone. 12 p.m. to 9 p.m. Philippine time. You'll be resting on during Philippine holidays. Benefits: HMO healthcare for you and one dependent with COVID insurance. 20 combined SL or BLS per year accrued from day 1. You will be 10 accrued once you pass. You will have 10 accrued. So I don't know what is accrued. Regularization. So 13-month bonus and government mandate benefits. Computer will be provided plus internet allowance. Access to work in one of our Manila-based offices. So about the rule. The QA analyst reports directly to the UK-based technical director in supporting development teams in delivering high-quality results to customers. They achieve this by working closely with teams, adapted and continuously improved through iterative learning. The role focuses on ensuring high-quality delivery through manual testing, automation, and collaboration with the team to refine requirements and priorities. It also involves continuously learning of QA strategies, reviewing test code, developing integration pipelines, and contributing to retrospectives for process improvement. Key responsibilities: design and perform manual tests for software releases, write and maintain automated functional test suites, evaluate and support third-party testing tool integration, example cross-browser performance visual regression, create and maintain technical documentation, participate in project planning, guide requirements definition, and ensure alignment with best practices, create business requirements and technical specification documents, offer constructive feedback on the test result, proactively suggest improvement to testing processes, support and mentor less senior team member, perform related duties as assigned. Position prerequisites: QA experience on e-commerce platform. Shopify experience is a must. 1 year development automation engineering experience, working in development team within commercial environment, experience in building and maintaining automated test suites, knowledge of software best practices, for example, test-driven development, TTD, behavior-driven development, BDD, continuously integration, CI, performance testing and optimization, experience with agile methodologies, knowledge of common securities, issues in web application. Skills, a strong sense of good practice with respect to testing techniques, experience dealing directly with non-technical stakeholders, highly motivated with demonstrable technical and analytical skills, attention to detail, commitment, and desire to complete consistently high standard of work, advanced time management skills with ability to manage own tasks to agreed timelines with limited supervision. Okay. Ability to derive appropriate comprehensive tests from requirements, user story acceptance criteria input from project managers. Excellent analytical technical problem solving skills with proactive approach. Strong communication skills. So, yan po yung hinahanap ng skills. So, you can apply now. So, I hope this video nakatulong sa inyo. And please don't forget to like and subscribe sa aking channel. Go to filtaglobal.com and then apply now. So, if ever man meron akong mga nababasa dito na mali, so I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. But, ito is to help lang others kung saan pwede silang mag-apply. Lalo na sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho ngayon. So, thank you.